AZ Reed having a monster first quarter. 15 points, perfect from Rainbow Country, Eric. 6 of 7 field goals overall. Ang kasi na pinakikita itong si AZ Reed. Let's hear about AZ Reed mula kay Riza Diaz.
Yung sabi ni AZ Reed, nung una daw siyang naglaro dito, umabot sila ng semifinals. Pero hindi na daw niya matatanggap na hanggang semifinals na lang sila ulit ngayon. Ang sabi niya, you can call me greedy, but I'm very hungry and I'm not ready to go home. Petron, they can pack my bags if they want to. Yan ang sabi niya, Charlie.
Well, sabi nga natin, last ball game pa. Sabi nito si AZ Reed, ayaw pa niyang umuwi. And he's really doing everything in his power to force a game 5. But right now, he's on the bench. Nagpapahinga muna. And the locals will have to manage without him and see what they can do here to extend this 1-point lead that they have at the beginning of this second quarter. Lassiter, kung ibahin agad yan. He set his feet. They gave him enough time.
So he's picking up. Kanina, ganun din yung kanyang 3-point shot from the left corner. Inulit na naman niya in this this quarter.
Chris Chu swings to Jerby. Long jumper para kay Jerby Cruz. Bit out of his range. Ito si Lutz. Sudden acceleration. Pagkat niya, wala nang bolang kasama. Tumama pa sa paa. It's a turnover.
Well, good transition defense there by Rainer Shine. Hindi kagad naka-set up ng half-court offense dito kasi inatake nga kagad ni Chris Lutz. But yung defense ng Rainer Shine, concentrated, inabangan kagad at alam nila atake si Lutz.
Ryan Aranya goes to J.R. Kinyan. 10-second shot clock para sa Rainer Shine. Aranya on the run, throws it up, pasok na! Standard shot para kay Ryan Aranya.
Well, this is another guy na makakatulong sa Rainer Shine. Last game, hindi siya naglaro although he was suited up kasi nga kakagaling yung sa sakit. Pero kita mo ngayon, yung unang tira niya ay pumasok agad.
Always aggressive on that end of the floor. Si Aranya, he knows he can get that shot in the lane. Ito si Lassiter, tapos yun nga, si Aranya, aside from having to score on one end, guard Lassiter on the other. Foul is called on that turn. Pangalawa ni Aranya. Wala pa rin ng tao. Jair Ibanez. Sinabas muna ni Coach Yang, and Ronnie Matias is in the ball game. Lanete drives baseline on the way up. Offensive foul, sabi ng ating baseline referee si Art Herrera. He knocked Chris Chu to the ground. Ito yung drive, nakita niya bukas ang baseline pero boom, ayun. Sabi ng referee, binigyan ng siko.
Good recovery there by Chris Chu.
Chris Kinyan hands it off to Aranya. Nice tap mula kay Lanete. Hindi ko itong mga kamay ng Petron Blades dito sa ating first half so far. They've got a lot of those deflections to disrupt the offense of the Painter.
Wala nangyayari, nagiging predictable ang Rainer Shine. That's why alam na kagad kung anong pinaplano nung may hawak ng bola.
Still even at 27 in this ball game. The pass inside to Kramer. In reverse, wala yun. Aranya, daming blue shirts. He pulls it out. Chris Chu trying to get free. Bounce to Kinyan. Kinyan will take it into the shaded area. Spins around, takes the shot. Wala yan. Offensive rebound. Jerby Cruz. It rolls out. They're fighting for it. Matias naman ang susubok. Ayun na. He gets the basket. Got a chance for a 3-point play.
You know, 2 out of 3 games. Normally, kung sino na nanalo sa second chance points, yun ang nagiging susi. Bakit nga sila nanalo? There are a lot of misses because the defenses in the playoffs have, you know, tumaas talaga yung intensity ng depensa. So you will really rely on a lot of offensive rebounding from your team, especially if you're not really shooting well for that night.
Hindi na nakompleto ni Matias yung kanyang 3-point play opportunity, but his team is up by 2, 29-27. Go to Lassiter. He leans in for that shot. Wala yan. Rebound play. Chris Chu picks it up. Aranya on the run. Contact. Offensive foul. Ryan Aranya. And Chico Lanete, the backup.
Ito mo naman yung iniintad doon ni actually Lanete absorbing that impact. Ang lakas talaga ng tama doon sa gitna ng dibdib ni Lanete.
Right on his chest, no? Talagang head on.
Eh kung charging ka nga naman daw, lakas lang naman sabi ni Ryan Aranya.
Lutz is turned around. Masyado malakas. Kramer tries to keep it alive. Naagaw ni Kinyan. Kabagnot's back in the ball game. Papunta siya kay T.Y. Tang. Matias nag-aatag na kampi. Goes to Jervy. 9 seconds on the shot clock. They go down to Kinyan. He fakes. Contact mula kay Dud Kramer. You know when these big guys bang inside, parang may inaantay ka naman mangyari. Minsan, nagkatingin na yung dalawa doon.
Kulang na lang talaga mag-apoy. Pag nagkikis-kisan yung mga balikat ito mga malalapot na player sa ilalim, kulang-kulang na lang para mag-apoy. Dahil nga sa grabe yung contact, yung physicality sa ilalim, you really have to be prepared. Especially in the playoffs, like what we're seeing right now.
It's a man's world down there when you get down in the paint on those blocks. Ito si Matias against Arwind. Aranya Lutz, yung mga matchup natin dito, ang gaganda talaga. Powerhouse matchup, halos lahat. The shove over to Jervy. Jervy jumper doesn't go, but Matias keeps it alive. Millsap wants to get it downstairs and succeeds. Ito na, tumatakbo. He's got Junmar on one side. Decides to take it with the contact. Wala yan. Junmar over the smaller. T.Y. Tang, and Tang can do nothing, partner. Nandun lang siya. Ang ganda na ng box out, pero wala.
Well, he tried his best, pero wala na talaga magagawa si T.Y. Tang that deep.
Ito, Rexona power rebound by the big man. That's brought to us by Rexona Men. 50% more long-lasting protection, so you can do more. But the free throw doesn't go, so 29 all ang ating score. 8:07 remaining in the first half. Easy. Strong first quarter para kay Reed. 15 points ang kanyang na-score. He gets away. That's not gonna count, pero natawagan ng foul itong si Elijah Millsap. That's his second personal of the game.
Pagdating sa low post, nahihirapan talaga si Millsap guarding AZ Reed. So there should really be help. Pero ang problema nga, nagkaroon ng switch in that last play.
Good intentions mula kay Matias, but the pass went awry. And Arwin is there. Slams it home on the break.
Nice defense there by Petron, translating on an easy offense on the other end.
The pass inside. Gusto sumagot agad itong Rainer Shine. Cross to Aranya. Nice spin in the lane. Masyadong malalim, but he gets it back. First 24 for the last two painters. T.Y. Tang. Goes to his right. Kicks to Reed in the lane. The hook off the glass.
Ganda naman ng pinasa na yun. That was actually yung napakasikip na ng depensa in that baseline drive, and he was still able to find AZ Reed.
Nice setup job. Pero ito rin, isa pang magandang feed sa Bagnot to Millsap. What a connection.
Ang ganda ng mga play na nakikita natin kabilaan because of the assist. That's going to be critical in this game.
Muntik na naman, isang magandang pasa mula kay Reed up to the weak side for Matias. He missed the layup, pero dalawang free throws para sa kanya. Palitan ng magandang pasa, Eric, in the past few plays.
T.Y. Tang here. Kita mo, dalawa na yung dumidepensa kay T.Y. Tang. Nakita pa niya doon si AZ Reed. Samantalang si Alex Sabagnot naman. A nice backdoor play ang ginawa naman doon ni Millsap. Actually, these guys are reading the defenses very well. They know that it's so tight. They're getting into the passing lanes. So use that back cuts. Puro backdoor plays ang ginagawa nila.
Second free throw doesn't go. Rebound standing steal para rito kay Junmar Fajardo. Bounced right into his hands. 1 point lead para sa Blade Boosters. Here's Millsap. He takes it for three. Pasok mo naman yan para kay Elijah Millsap.
So mas maginhawa yung tira niya, Charlie. So you saw that. There's a screen na binibigay sa kanya. So nag-isip ngayon to si AZ Reed or si Norwood if he's going to go over that screen or under. So because nag-isip pa siya, nakakakuha ngayon ng opening to si Millsap.
Good defense mula kay Junmar. 5 seconds on that shot clock. Matias goes baseline. Nowhere to go. Throws it right to Junmar. Turnover. Tumatakbo si Millsap. Goes behind his back and T.Y. Tang reaches in. Natawagan ng foul. Itong si T.Y. Tang. Right, big man, resistance, no foul.
There's really nowhere to go, Charlie wants to get into the shaded area at nakita ka agad ni Junmar Fajardo.
Kabagnot. He takes this one, gets knocked down. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Rainer Shine naman ang attack ngayon. Under 6 minutes remaining in the first half. Easy read, 2 points pa lang dito sa ating second quarter after scoring 15 in the first. Tries to set up Chan, but the shot doesn't go. Millsap the board. He stops from 3. Wala yun. Tabik ni Lassiter pero nakontrol na ni Jeff Chan. Ito na Rainer Shine. Gabe Norwood decides to settle for that jumper and it doesn't go. So misses on both sides of the court. Nice pick. Walang makalabas dun sa pader na Junmar Fajardo.
Sobrang lapad eh. But of course, ito, delikado tong si Lassiter. As I've said, this guy is, once he gets hot, he's going to be very hard to stop. He starts shooting from the outside.
11 points na para sa kanya. And Arwin Santos nakahiga sa hardcourt. He got hit on the face, it seems. Foul is called. The timeout is called. 5:03 remain. Si Alex Cabagnot sa huling laro ng seryeng ito. That was game number 3. Had a splendid game, partner. 13 points in the second half out of his 18. Good performance from Rainbow Country. Pero parang siya lang yung magandang sync dun sa game na yun. His teammates didn't ably support him in the second half.
Well, Alex Cabagnot, there was a stretch in that game, Charlie, na siya lang talaga yung gumagawa kaya nakahabol. He was getting free throws, 3-point shots. He played extremely well in that game. Ito naman, Cabagnot, maganda rin pagsisimula in the first period already with 6 points, and that's all in the first quarter.
May kwento naman si Risa Diaz tungkol kay Alex Cabagnot.
Charlie, sabi ni Alex Cabagnot, kahit pa daw umiskor siya ng 100, kung hindi daw sila mananalo, it doesn't mean anything. So he's praying tonight that everybody shows up on the same page. Yun ang sabi niya. Pangako niya, gagawin niya ang lahat. Basta lahat din ay tatrabaho. At the end of the day, individual stats don't matter. Ang importante daw sa kanila is their team goal, and that is to make it to the finals. Charlie?
Well, spoken like a true veteran talaga, di ba? He's at that status already. He's been in the league long enough. And all you want to do is win. All you want to do is win. You know, maybe early on in your career, gusto mong score ng marami, get those individual awards. Pero ngayon, di ba na?
In this game, he scored 6 points in the first quarter, but after that, he decided to get his teammates involved. So, importante nga kay Alex Cabagnot, it's going to always a team effort.
A miss from Lassiter. Rebound was Norwood's. Ito si TY. Balik kay AZ. Walang tubig din dyan na naman nakabantay. They go to Jeff Chan the other side. Jervy wants to challenge Junmar. Metabek. Elijah Millsap gets that steal. They're taking chances itong Petron Blazers. They've been trying to reach in, get those steals on the curls, reaching behind players, and hindi naman natatawagan ng foul. So their gambles have been working many times dito sa first half.
Well, for most of the first or the elimination round, I've really noticed that tama kan Charlie, they always do that. Ang dami nila nakukuha ang steals. Every time someone drives to the basket for Rainer Shine or any other team so far in the league, ang rotation nila maganda. So hindi ka basta-basta nakakakuha ng mga openings. So, yun ang ginagawa nila for the entire elimination round. That's why now, nakikita naman nila, Coach G is really trying to concentrate more on defense because yun ang nagkulang in game number 3.
2 for 2 para kay Elijah Millsap. That's a 9-point lead para sa Petron Blaze. That's the biggest of this ball game. Jervy Cruz's outside shot doesn't go, and they're comfortable with Jervy Cruz shooting those outside shots. But they get the steal. Good feed kay Easy Reed para sa easy layup.
Nice recovery there by Rainer Shine for a while. Good stop na rin doon ng Petron. But hindi nga sila makatakbo on the other end because na-counter steal naman agad.
Tubin on the move. Nasa lane. Takes the shot against the bigger guys. Offensive rebound doesn't go. The big man, Junmar Fajardo, just lording it over. Size matters.
Well, game number 2, ganyan na nangyari. Junmar Fajardo got so many offensive rebounds. Alam mo, malaking bagay din ang nangyari si Junmar Fajardo in game number 3. He sat out most of the end of the third towards the middle part of the fourth period. Bakit nga naman? Kasi ang ganda rin naman nilalaro ng team nila. Yun na rin na nagpahabol in that game. Kaya when biglang kumontra naman doon ng Rainer Shine, nung bumalik si Junmar Fajardo, wala na, late na rin eh. And now, maganda yung simula again ni Junmar because so far, parang sinasabi nga nung iba, nagiging barometer si Junmar kung paano mananalo ang Petron.
4 points and 3 rebounds already dito sa ating first half. Ngunit 0 for 3 mula dyan sa free throw stripe.
Belga.
Pass to AZ Reed. Miscalculated. And it's a turnover para sa Rain or Shine. 7-point lead for Petron. Gustong palakihin yan. 3 minutes, 8 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. At sa pagtawid at half court, Marshall Lassiter calls a timeout. Coach Giovanillo wants to talk to his boys.
3 more.
So back at the big dome, Petron Blaze lamang ngayon ng 7, 41-34. Coach Giovanillo talking to his boys a while ago. This was a Kawasaki rousing fast break brought to us by Rouser 135 by Kawasaki. Ralph the Rider and you, Arwin Santos slamming it home for 2. The ball is with the blue shirts. Ronald Tubid na mag-i-inbound. Kabagot comes out to get it. Millsap Reed ang labanan. Import versus import. The fadeaway jumper. Short yun pero may tulak daw sabi ng ating referee.
Guys, complaining naman yun. Nagre-reklamo si AZ Reed kasi nga doon sa kabila, natulak siya, no? Bago niya kaya nagkaroon ng turnover.
Nasa stripe na naman itong si Elijah Millsap for 2 free throws.
Turnover points, 16-10 in favor of Petron. So doon nabubuhay ang Petron Blaze yung mga points off turnovers. But those are actually hustle points, you know, and especially kagaya nga ng sinabi sa ni Coach Frankie kanina, yung mga hustle points malaking bagay yun because lalo na sa turnover points, you're actually forcing the other team to commit the turnover tapos doon ka naman nakakakuha ng puntos. So that's actually good effort dito para sa kupunan ng Petron.
There's a push. May foul tinawag ang ating baseline referee. That's going to be a shooting time penalty. Napapasok ngayon sa linya. Pupunta sa linya ngayon si Ryan Aranya to get 2 free throws. You know, yung nakikita mo every time may konting lan, nag-uusap-usap yung mga Rainers and the last painter trying to strategize. You know, they need to win to stay alive. It's that simple, partners sa game na ito. They lose, they are dethroned as the champions of this conference.
So right now, Jeff Chan, mukhang may iniinda siya doon because nilabas muna siya going to the locker room.
They try to get a report on that. As it stands, 7-point lead para sa Petron, 42-35, 2:34 remaining. Here in the first half, Cabagnot, ginamit ang pick. Goes the other way, drops it over to Junmar. The short shot is too strong. Ito si Norwood, nagdadala ng bola. Goes over to AZ Reed. The quick jumper. And Eric, this guy, diba, bago na makaset ang depensa, he just releases.
Simple lang he actually reads the defense very well. Alam niya na umaatras si Junmar Fajardo, inaabangan yung drive niya, the jump shot niya. Pag dinikita naman siya, then that's the time he will work on his feet.
In rhythm, jumper nito si Lassiter doesn't go, but they get the offensive rebound. Lassiter wants to take it closer off the glass para kay Marshall.
Marshall is having a big game tonight. Maganda ang kanyang pagsisimula. Lassiter already with 13 points already here in the first half.
Ito si AZ. Spins around. Double team comes. 9 seconds na lang sa shot clock nitong Elafto Painters. They go to Belga. Swing over to Norwood. Jumper. Doesn't go. Tapikan ng bola. They tap it to the big guy. Tubid in the middle. Shoves it over to Lassiter. Jumper. Masyadong malakas. Aranya is ahead of the back. Hahabol si Cabagnot. He'll challenge. Good interference mula rito kay Alex Cabagnot. Good last stand on that play.
Way to sprint down. Dalawa sila. Cabagnot and even Junmar Fajardo sprinted on defense.
And they pull it back out. Itong Petron Blaze. Minute and 3 remaining. 10 on that shot clock. Millsap. The spin in the lane.
A great move right there. Jake Norwood is really giving him a hard time. Pero ito si Millsap nakahanap pa ng paraan kung paano makashoot nga against the defenses of Norwood.
The bounce pass inside to Reed. Si Ronald Tubid on left line of defense gives up a foul. Ito isang Photon Thunder drive brought to us by Photon. Power your business.
You know, kung magaling ka talaga, hahanap ka ng paraan, and basically that's what Elijah Millsap is doing.
Doon sa play name, ito iniwasan niya yung defender instead of trying to go right into the chest of the defender, which resulted in turnovers many times nung huling laro nila. Ngayon, was able to bring it to the basket. Free throws go para rito sa Rain or Shine. Let's turn it over to Riza Diaz once again.
Charlie, maaga nang pumasok si Jeff Chan ng dugout dahil na-spray ng kanyang left ankle. As of now, inaayos ito at i-irritate, but as to his return, it's still uncertain. Charlie?
Wow, that's bad news. Para rito sa Elastopeño sa coach Jen Gowing. Traveling ang tinawag kay Marshall Lassiter, and that's a big blow, partner, assuming if he can't come back. Pero, tinan natin, they're gonna work on that ankle for sure. And I'm sure if he can walk, he'll probably give it a try.
What I'm sure, he's gonna try to be as effective as he can. Pero yun na nga, sabi mo nga, tama ka rin, Charlie, magiging critical yun for Rain or Shine because last game, ang best player of the game is basically Jeff Chan. Ang ganda ng kanyang ginagawa. Although in this game so far, AZ Reed is really having a monster first half.
Pangalawang personal ni Marshall Lassiter, pupunta sa linya. Si AZ Reed, balat sa dalawang free throws, and AZ Reed has 23 points in this game, had 15 at the end of one.
The setback to this, Charlie, AZ Reed would have a good scoring night. Of course, Millsap is already catching up. But the key here is if will there be another local who can step up in the absence of Jeff Chan.
There's a miss on that free throw. Lassiter gets it. Last second shot time para rito sa Petron Blaze. Up by 6. Sa magtawid, napatawag ng 30-second timeout ang coaching staff ng Petron Blaze. They want to make this an 8, maybe 9-point lead bago matapos ang ating first half.
Well, Petron really doing a lot of adjustments here in the second quarter. Dito talaga gumanda ang kanilang paglalaro, and at the same time, even Import is scoring already.
Ating playoff picture, partner, yung kabilang series sa baba, 2 and 3, that's done. Sunmake Coffee is in the finals, so nag-aantay na lang sila kung sino mananalo sa series ito. Petron, Rain or Shine. Petron up 2-1.
Well, isa na lang talaga yung team na inaantay who will compete against Sunmake Coffee in the Governor's Cup finals. So it's going to be a toss-up. Right now, of course, Petron has the upper hand, up by 6 points. But ang kupunan naman ng Rain or Shine, gusto nila mabuhay at ma-extend yung series.
9.1 to work with. Millsap ang tumanggap. Saan rin humawa. Inako na niya. Kicks it over to Cabagnot. Jumper is short. They run out of time, but Petron trailing by 1 at the start of the second quarter. He's up by 6 at the end of it. And a good performance by Petron. Strong performance in the second quarter. Elijah Millsap, gumanda ang kanyang performance, was able to hit baskets, drive into the lane, at maraming turnover points na nakuha ang Petron, Eric, to get this lead at the end of the first 24 minutes of action.
Well, so far, Elijah Millsap is making a big adjustment, especially in the first quarter where he struggled, but after a while, he started picking up his points. He saw the openings and the gaps on the defenses of Rain or Shine.
Of course, as Marshall Lassiter did very well as well sa ating second quarter. We have with us Elijah Millsap at courtside. Hey Elijah, the Rain or Shine guys seem to be talking to you a lot. What are they saying?
Coach Gene just talking to me. I don't know. It's basketball talk. That's all.
Well, Elijah, in the first quarter, it was actually tough for you. You were struggling a bit. But after that, you saw the gaps in that defense. What was the big adjustment for you?
I mean, the biggest adjustment is I'm seeing all the open spots, but I'm rushing it. So I just want to slow down, take my time and just get to the bucket and make it easy for myself.
All right, good luck in the second half, Elijah.
All right, thank you.
At magbe-break muna kami ni Eric dito mula sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. We'll be back. We'll turn you over to the Sports 5 Center. Pagbalik namin ni Eric, we're gonna talk about what happened in the first half. Halftime, 6-point lead para sa Petron Blaze.